Adobe just bought Figma for $20 billion deal. Hi guys, my name is Manjunath and in this video I'm just going to talk about one of the latest update I just heard that Adobe bought Figma. Before talking about this particular deal, let me go back to 4 or 5 years back when I was just getting started into web development. Whenever we build websites, we need to design that even before actually coding it. So obviously there were so many tools available for it. One of the best tool available was Adobe XD, and it was absolutely free software available at the time. And the only catch in that particular software was we had to download it, and internet was not so much fast back then. So downloading a program and using it and updating it once in a while whenever Adobe releases the update for it was the one of the tough thing which we had to face back then. So what was the alternative for it? The alternative which I found was Figma. And Figma was one of the best tool available at that time. Before I knew about Figma, Adobe XD was one of the good tool which I had to use. Then once we got to know about Figma, I never looked back. It was web-based tool. You just go to figma.com and it's ready to use. And we built exactly same thing. However, we were able to build it in Adobe XD. But only difference was it was little bit faster, and the best thing about it was you didn't have to download anything for using it, and it was freely available also. So it was one of the best software which I used. Then I ditched Adobe XD once I started using Figma more and more. So years have passed and now it's 2022 September, and I just got to know that Adobe people bought Figma by paying them $20 billion. And it's really one of the exciting news because literally the company which already had one software called as Adobe XD bought exactly same another software. So what does this actually mean? They didn't buy the software, they already had it. They bought the users, you, me, whoever the users who used to use Figma now is owned by Adobe only. So literally Adobe people can use XD itself, but they didn't wanted to let another company be competitor to it. So instead of that, they literally bought the company and all the users like us, and they make the deal with Figma saying they are going to acquire it. Is it good or bad? We don't know. Even Microsoft acquired GitHub and NPM also for that matter, and time will tell whether it's a good news or bad news, or we have to buy Adobe subscription maybe even after like 2-3 years to use even Figma, which is available now for freely, which we use daily. So that's it for this video, guys, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for getting these latest updates, and see you soon. Bye bye.